There was once a village plagued by drought. No rain fell, the rivers dried, and the children cried for water. One night an old woman appeared. She carried a carved drum and said, "Beat this drum and the spirits will hear you." The villagers gathered and struck the drum. Boom, boom. First nothing happened. Then a wind blew. Clouds gathered. Rain poured down, filling the earth with life. But the chief grew greedy. He said, "This drum belongs to me. I will keep it and call rain only for my fields." The old woman returned, her eyes like fire. "You were given this gift for all, but you hoard it for yourself." She struck the drum once more, and it split in two, never to sound again. The drought returned, and the people remembered their chief's selfishness. And so the elders say, a gift from the spirits must never be stolen by pride. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and comment for more videos. See you in the next video.